How should you structure your wills if you have assets both in Israel and your home country? Hi, my name is Jay Hait. I'm an American-Israeli attorney with offices in Tel Aviv, Haifa, Jerusalem, and Raanana. And a lot of people who move to Israel when they're older ask me, Mr. Hait, what should we do regarding our wills? Because we have assets both in Israel and in the United States or in England or in Australia, and we want to know, what do we do about those assets? Well, there are two ways to address this issue. The first way is to have one will. You can have one will that will be valid in both countries, okay? And in that situation, what you would do is after you pass away, the will would first be probated in one country, and then it would be probated after that in the second country. The other way to do it, and the way that we recommend, is that you make two wills. One will that's an Israeli will, quote unquote, and the other will is a will that covers your assets in the other country. And why do we do it that way? Well, there are two main reasons. The first main reason is the speed in which things happen. And what am I talking about? Well, if you pass away and you only have one will, first you have to go through the probate process in one country, and then after that you either take the order and you get it apostilled and notary translated, and then you do it in the second country. And what can happen is that instead of taking the regular 6 weeks, 3 months, 6 months, the process can be extended up to 9 months, a year. And if the people that are inheritors under your will are waiting for that money, then they're just going to have to wait. There's nothing you can do. Whereas if you use the recommended method that we do, we have two wills where one will is an exhibit of the second will, and it says, hey, this is only covering the assets in country A. Okay? And then you're able to submit both wills at the same time, and it's a lot cheaper for the people who are probating the wills. In other words, they don't have to go through getting a judgment apostilled, notary translations, etc. So it's faster and it's quicker, and that's the reason that we recommend that you do it that way, although it's perfectly valid to have one will covering everything. If you have other questions about wills or other issues about making aliyah in your retirement, then please pick up the phone and call my office. I and my staff would help people with problems like that every day, and we'd love to help you. On the screen in front of you, you see our internet site, my email, and our telephone number. Pick up the phone and we'd love to have you.